Show me the real from the fake, I'm see them to me clear.
Yeah, what style man for your device? I don't know, so I want fully brave God skeleton and I represent for Soji TV Entertainment. I mean I say yo, alright, that's the artists and the baddest review them man, you hear me? Yeah, like, comment, share, subscribe. You know, click the notification bell to get notified fully.
Me now, this is a pair from a real gangster. Regular me call a phone.
No joke, Silk Boss. Enough time me have to wonder if there's a God more while, but forbid that in a man, you know, cause there's a God, but 2 more while me a pray and ask God for some things, my Lord, and me nah see nothing a come true. And me have to wonder if God nah answer, nah pick up my line. And me a say, yo, every time in our elements and in our mood, Silk Boss drop on a song, we can Buckler. Viewers and subscriber, I want to know guys to go over Silk Boss Vivo right now and go listen to that song when dropped couple minutes ago. We titled Nah Answer. No joke. Yeah man, me can relate to them thing. Me can relate to that song. You see me? A whole heap of thing. A whole heap of thing a dog a chat in that song. You see me? Just watch the TV entertainment, just a chat sitting side where. Yeah man, on the behalf of the song. You see free. I send out it and make the artist know say, yeah man, I saw the TV entertainment over here, no man. I will see say, yo, this a artist is a media god, man. You see, every time when Silk Boss I go through something in a media, him paint them in a song, and that me rate with the artist. So the TV entertainment as a Silk Boss, you strong you. You see me? Because the strong them always get the fight. You see me? Cause if any strong, you do get no fight. Nobody would see you, bro. You see me? So just use that as a lesson and just know say yo. And that they motivate you. You see me? Nobody make it draw you down or bring you down. Cause you're a bad artist and enough incident me see you go through and you see you put it in a song. So just do it same way. A whole heap of people now go rate you, you know. A whole heap of people are go bash you and call you all type of name. But you don't know a music we love same way. And for you do good music at that count. You see me? So me I say Silk Boss, big up yourself again in a man. You see Stars Plus production. A TJ and Prime Minister them days that me I tell you say years. You hear that? Stars Plus. Big up yourself. You see me? Stars Plus production. Yes, man. Yeah, man. Powerful engineer them same way. A long time them a work. You see me? And some hardcore artists them send a road same way. You see me? Whole a mobile. You don't know Soji TV entertainment now you go chat too long, you know, man. Just keep it short. So I want to know guys to just tune in and just like, share, subscribe to Soji TV Entertainment. Viewers and subscribers, you leave the song title pin in the comment section so you can tap it and go straight to a song and listen it to yourself and watch the video same way. You see free on Jeds, I'm out.
I'm a cousin and balling with the tech side, I mean yo. This is a pair from